I just as I turned off the camera, I just realized that I forgot about highlighter. That hurts. Like, I don't understand how I forgot about highlighter. But yeah, I'm using this Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer. I don't know how this is a bronzer. There's nothing bronze about it. But this is in the color Flawless. It's just a straight up gold highlighter. Like, I don't see anything bronze about it. So yeah. In order to get really good pigmentation, I don't know if you can see, mine looks kind of messed up. I don't know if you can see it, but you have to spray it with water because it is a baked bronzer. And baked bronzers, highlighter, when you use baked eyeshadows sometimes and baked highlighters and bronzers, they don't always come off to be super pigmented because they're so fine. So I just spray mine with just some water. You can see, like, right there in the middle, that's where I sprayed the water. And then I like to use two different brushes to apply my highlighter. I'm sure you've seen in my videos, I do like to use two different brushes, and I literally don't have a mirror. So I have to get up and get a mirror. But we'll see. I'll just, you know what, I'm just going to use the viewfinder. Just want to take my brush. This is the BH Cosmetics brush. Don't know the number, don't know the name of it. So sorry. But yes, this highlighter is very pigmented when you wet it, so be careful. Oh, see, I can't do this. I can't. Hold on. See, like, it is. Whew. Be very careful because this can go from looking really natural to looking like the Tin Man. And that's not the look we're going for right now.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control.